तो बच्चों, टुडे नाउ I start exercise 3.5. I have already discussed exercise 3.1 to 3.4. So today now I start exercise 3.5. First of all, introduction section. Here is cross multiplication method. In the introduction section, today we learn about cross multiplication method. I have already discussed two methods, elimination method and substitution method. So today this is a third method and last method for linear equation in two variable, cross multiplication method. So I start cross multiplication method. Here is equation first, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and here is second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. To solve this pair of equation for x and y using cross multiplication, we will arrange the variable and their coefficient. First of all, a1, a2, here is b1 and b2 and the constant c1 and c2. Now cross multiplication method, this is formula for cross multiplication method. Now multiply b1 into c2 minus c1 into b2 divided a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1, and y equal to c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1 divided a1 b2 minus b2 a2 b1. You solve the pair of equation by apply this formula. This formula is known as cross multiplication methods. So now start exercise 3.5. First of all, first questions. Which of the following pair of linear equation has unique solutions, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication. So here is, first of all, find unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solution. So we know that unique solution when a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, no solution when a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, and infinitely many solution when a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So first of all, check these equations are unique solutions, no solution, or infinity many solution. If unique solution, then find their value. If no solution or infinitely many solution, then there are no required to solve this equation. So first questions, here is x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. This is equation first, and here is 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. This is equation second. First of all, a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 by minus 9. Minus minus cancel, 3 3 is 9, 1 by 3, and c1 by c2 equal to minus 3 by minus 2. So here is minus 2. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Here is a1 by a2 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 1 by 3, but not equal to c1 by c2. But not equal to c1 by c2. So we know that if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, hence the lines of this equation are parallel. There will no solution for this equation. So आंसर इसका क्या हो जाएगा? नो सॉल्यूशन. जब नो सॉल्यूशन होगा तो इसको सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे. ओनली सॉल्व इन ए केस ऑफ यूनिक सॉल्यूशन. सो नाउ टेक सेकंड क्वेश्चन. हियर इज सेकंड क्वेश्चन, 2x plus y equal to 5. This is equation first. and here is second equation 3x plus 2y equal to 8. This is equation second. Now solve a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 3, b1 by b2 equal to 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 equal to 5 by 8. So here is a1 by a2 2 by 3 and here is b1 by b2 1 by 3 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So we know that when a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, the equation have a unique solution. When unique solution, then find the value of x and y. So solve by cross multiplication method. Here is two method. First you can solve by applying formula, and here is a some direct method. So first of all, understand direct methods. What is direct method? How you solve direct method? This is a very easy method. Or you are feel difficult from this method, then you simply solve by this formula method. X equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 and y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and this is a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 and c2. You can solve by formula method. Here is direct method. You write x, y and 1 and draw a line. First of all, you have to write value of x, then x variable is closed. Close your x variable. x variable को क्या करेंगे? क्लोज कर लेंगे. So यहाँ पर मैंने x variable को क्लोज कर लिया. Okay. So when close x variable, then multiply variable of y is 1 and minus 8. So 1 and minus 8 minus here is 2 variable of y and minus 5. So minus 5 into 2 minus 10. So this is a value of x. Now solve value of y, then close y variable को क्लोज कर लेंगे. Now for find value of y, close y variable. अब y variable को क्लोज कर लेंगे हम. इसको क्लोज कर लिया. Now multiply 3 into minus 5 minus 15 and 2 into minus 8 minus 16 equal to, here is 1. So write value of 1, then cover the constant then constant को cover कर लेंगे. इसको constant को cover कर लेंगे. ये मेरा constant है, इसको cover कर लेंगे. So here is multiply 2 into 2 4 minus 3 into 1 3. So now solve these all questions. So x by minus 8 minus plus 8 equal to y by minus 15 minus plus 16 equal to 1 by 1. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So here is x by 8 minus 10 minus 8 by 2 equal to, इससे कंपेरिजन करेंगे. नाउ कंपेरिजन फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट and second comparison y and this. So here is x by 2 equal to 1, then x equal to 2. Now y by 16 minus 50 equal to 1, then y equal to 1. This is your answer. Now third questions. Here is third question. 3x minus 5y minus 20 equal to 0 and 6x minus 10y minus 40 equal to 0. Here is a1 equal to 3, b1 equal to minus 5 and c1 equal to minus 20. a2 equal to minus a2 equal to 6, b2 equal to minus 10 and c2 equal to minus 40. Then a1 by a2 equal to 3 by 6, कैंसिल करेंगे 3 2 जा 6, 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 equal to minus 5 by 10, इसको कैंसिल करेंगे 5 2 जा 10 and माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा and c1 by c2 equal to 20 by 40, माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा 20 2 जा 40. So here is a1 by a2 1 by 2, b1 by b2 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Then there are infinitely many solutions. So there are no required to find value of x and y. You required only find the value of x and y in case of unique solution. So question number 4. Here is question number 4. X minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 and second equation 3x minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0. This is equation second. Now a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 by 3 and c1 by c2 equal to minus 7 by 15. तो माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So here is a1 by a2 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 1 by 1. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So we know that when a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then this equation have a unique solution. So find value of x and y by cross multiplication method. So write here x, y and 1 and draw a line. First of all we have to write value of x, then cover the x variable. x variable को क्या करेंगे, कवर कर लेंगे, x variable को कवर कर लेंगे and x variable को मैंने कवर कर लिया and write minus 15 into minus 3, 45 minus 3 and minus 7 equal to 21. Now write y variable, then cover the y variable. y variable को कवर कर लेंगे, y variable को यहाँ पर कवर कर लेंगे, y variable को यहाँ पर कवर कर लिया मैंने. Now write value of y variable. So here is 3 into minus 7, 7 3 is 21 and here is a minus 20 and minus x into minus 50, minus 50. Now write constant, so cover the constant term. Constant term को क्या करेंगे, कवर कर लेंगे. This is a constant term, cover this constant terms. Now x into minus 3, here is coefficient of x 1 and minus 3 and here is 3 and minus 3 minus 9. Now solve this and find the value of x and y. So here is x by 45 minus 21 equal to 24 equal to now comparison फर्स्ट लास्ट एंड सेकेंड लास्ट. अब इसको कंपेरिजन करेंगे, इसको कंपेरिजन करेंगे इससे एंड इसको कंपेरिजन करेंगे इससे. कंपेरिजन करते हैं. सो स्टार्ट कंपेरिजन. हियर इज x बाय 45 माइनस 21 इक्वल टू 24 इक्वल टू 1 बाय minus 3 and minus minus plus 9 and here is y by minus 21 and minus minus plus 15 equal to 1 by, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो 9 minus 3 equal to 6. नाउ इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, x by 14 equal to 1 by 6, then 6 4 जा 24, x equal to 4 and here is y by minus 21 plus 15 equal to minus 6 equal to 1 by 6. 6 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, y equal to minus 1. So x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 1 is your answer. Now take second questions. For which of these value of a and b will be the following pair of linear equation have an infinitely number of solution. So infinitely number of solution then we know that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So question number 2, there are two questions, first question and second question. First of all take first question, after that second question. Here is equation first and this equation second. For infinitely many number of solution, we know that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Here is a1 by a2, that means 2 by a minus b, and b1 by b2 3 by a plus b, and c1 by c2 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Now solve 1 by 1. Here is इसको पहले ए और बी को सॉल्व करेंगे. नाउ टेक दिस एंड दिस, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. सो हियर इज 2a plus 2b equal to 3 into a 3a minus 3b. Now solve 2a, 3a come this side, then this is a minus, plus 2b, and minus 3b come this side, then this is 3b. So 2a minus 3a equal to minus a, plus 2b plus 3b 5b equal to 0. This is equation first. And now second comparison, second term and last term. So here is 3 into 3 9a, and 3 into b 3b, and 3 into minus 2 minus 6 equal to 7a into 7a, and 7b equal to 7 into b. Now 9a and here is 7a come this side, so this is a minus 7a plus 3b, and here is 7b come this side, so this is minus 7b, and here is minus 6 come this side, so this is a 6. The 9a minus 7a equal to 2a, and 3b minus 7b equal to minus 4b equal to 6. So here come common 2, so a minus 2b equal to 3, then a minus 2b equal to 3. This is equation second. Now solve equation 1 and 2 and find the value of a and b, because here is which क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए एंड बी. सो इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 को सॉल्व करेंगे एंड ए और बी का वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. सो हियर इज इक्वेशन फर्स्ट माइनस ए प्लस 5b इक्वल टू 0, एंड सेकेंड ए माइनस 2b इक्वल टू 3. सो बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड ऐड इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2. इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 को ऐड कर देंगे, नहीं सॉल्व बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. सो हियर इज माइनस ए प्लस 5b इक्वल टू 0, देन ए इक्वल टू 5. अगर एलिमिनेशन मेथड से करते तो इसको इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 को ऐड कर देते, बट हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 ए माइनस ए प्लस 5b इक्वल टू 0, देन 5b इक्वल टू a. पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ a इन इक्वेशन सेकंड. हियर इज इक्वेशन सेकंड a minus 2b इक्वल टू 3. नाउ पुट ऑन ए प्लेस ऑफ a 5b minus 2b equal to 3. 5b minus 2b equal to 3b equal to b, then b equal to 1. Now put b equal to 1 in equation third. This is equation third. This is equation third. Put in equation third. So equation third is a equal to 5b, and 5 and b equal to 1, and 5 into 1 equal to 5. This is your answer. A equal to 5 and b equal to 1. Now second questions. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? So for no solution, we know that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So solve for no solution, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 equal to 3 by 2k minus 1 equal to b1 by b2 equal to 1 by k minus 1. Now solve equation 1 these by cross multiplication. The 3 into k 3k, and 3 into k minus 1 equal to 2k minus 1. Now multiply 3 into k 3k, and 3 minus 1 minus 3 equal to 2k minus 1. Now 3k and 2k come this side, then this is a minus 2k equal to minus 1, and minus 3 come this side, so plus 3. 3k minus 2k equal to k, and here is 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So value of k equal to 2. So question number 1 and question number 2 have completed. Next questions, question 3rd and 4, I have discussed in next class. Okay, thank you.